It's exciting. I don't have words.
The SeaSafe event is all about conservation.
Beautiful section of the Indian River right here.
You're for Project SeaSafe. We are expanding, growing.
A wonderful location that we already have clams at. We put them here about a year and a half ago now.
You work hard, you want to be rewarded, and you want to see the fruits of your labor.
Let's go. There you go, baby, right there. This year, they wanted them here to take people fishing so they could experience what this place is all about.
Reel, you got him. Reel. Hard.
Oh, there you go. My guy.
The fishery here is fantastic.
Look at that.
That was some work, brother.
That's called putting in a day of work.
Yeah! That's what I'm talking about, Brush. There we go.
We've got the momentum. We've got a lot of good people behind us. There's no stopping what we've got now. Hell yeah.
Good deal.
That was awesome.